Now I continued to prep the wig off camera, and this is the result. I opted for a side part. I went ahead and cleaned off my hairline, and I also pressed her section by section. Don't forget to use our heat protectant, and this is the result. As you guys can see, this one looks gorgeous. The lace blends so well with my complexion. The hairline is awesome and seamless, so I am definitely ready for my install. A quick pro tip, always melt your lace. Now you can do this heatless or with heat. Normally you would use your blow dryer after you apply your adhesive and kind of melt the lace into your hairline. I opt for an additional step, which is pretty much to add a scarf around the hairline, and then I go ahead with the blow dryer. This just helps with the flyaways. You guys can see how some of the baby hairs in the front are kind of flying around. I don't want that to interfere with how nice the hairline already looks and having to go in and redo it. And as you guys can see, I was grooving. I absolutely love listening to music while I install. It helps it to be more fun and the time pass even better. But yeah, make sure that you wear a scarf whenever you go ahead and melt the hairline. And sometimes if you don't want to use heat, you can just put the scarf on your hairline and just go ahead and do, other things like your makeup and then come back. Now this is what it's looking like. Absolutely love it. You can kind of see a white cast a little bit, and as you guys can see, I just took my rubbing alcohol and that gets rid of that instantly. Also, you can use a little bit of a foundation or contour powder in that area. Here I'm just taking my foundation brush. I didn't really add any more powder to it. I had just did my makeup, so I kind of just used what was left on the brush and kind of just buffed along the hairline, and this is just going to help it to melt and look a lot more seamless. Here I am with a little bit of a wax stick on my baby hair brush, and I kind of just wanted to slick it down. I was definitely tempted to go in and do baby hair, but I did commit to doing a no baby hair look for this look, especially because the hairline looks so nice. So I'm just kind of like slicking everything down. There's a little bit of flyaways in the parting, so we're going to go ahead and make sure everything looks super nice and melted, and then I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts on this wig. So this is the finished result. I literally was chilling and editing this video and I realized I never even gave you the final rundown on this look. Now I do have a new lens, so I am trying to figure out my new setup. I want to give you guys better quality overall. I want to give you better thumbnails, the image and the quality of the actual video I'm trying to improve, editing, everything from A to Z with my content. Just trying to give you guys something a little bit more quality and better and more enjoyable for you guys to view. So with my new lens, I am trying to figure it out, so bear with me. Hopefully this hopefully you guys can let me know if this looks good or if it looks better, if it looks the same. Again, I am learning as I go with this, so I do have to have a different setup, a better setup, so I am currently figuring that out. But again, this one came from RPGSHOW and it is a beautiful lace wig. It has this gorgeous yaki texture and I love that it mimics African American hair texture, but they did go ahead and add a little bit of highlight in there. It's nice and subtle, so it warms up and gives you a new look, but it's still super subtle and realistic enough that, you know, it's not such a drastic, it's almost like a safe change in case you are in fact afraid of change. The install came out super good. I'm happy with how everything turned out. I've been telling you guys I've got some lace tint on the waist, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys once it comes in the mail. But again, this one came from RPGSHOW. All the details on this wig are in the description box. I did not have to bleach the knots or tint the lace. All I did literally was co-wash the wig. I did customize and plug the hairline a little bit, and then I did a super simple and easy install just using my Got To Be Glued as normal. You guys know I really don't like to use actual glue on my hairline unless it is like a special occasion or I'm getting a professional install. So go ahead and let me know what you think of her. All the details on this wig are in the description box, and as you guys can see, I did opt for a super nice side part. I think it would be really nice with some warm curls as well, especially because it has this nice natural yaki texture. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Check out the description box for a list of everything I use as well as a link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and also turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss a video from me. Also, there will be a wig sale coming. I'm not sure it's going to be Black Friday or Cyber Monday because I am hosting Thanksgiving at my house, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a little bit too hectic for me to do a Black Friday, but probably Cyber Monday. But make sure your post notifications are turned on so you will be the first to notified when the video with all the details on the wig sale go up. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Smooches!